Hello, my dear students. This is Devendra, your chemistry teacher. So, we have already studied about the metal and non-metals in our previous session, and something more in our first chapter of bio crop production. As we know that, and I have told you a number of things like Rabi and Kharif crops. Today, now we are going to start with the agriculture practices of India. So, the various tasks performed by the farmer to raise a good yield of crops are called agriculture practice. The plants grown and tended in a field are called crop plants. So, we have various methods. First is preparation of soil, sowing, addition of manure or fertilizer, irrigation, weeding, protection, and harvesting. These are the points, so we will discuss one by one as follows. Okay, so first we will discuss about the preparation of soil. So firstly, the means of preparation of soil before the sowing seed. We need to prepare the soil of the field. It is loosened and overturned. So preparation of soil containing three main processes. First is plugging or tilling, leveling, and manuring. So before sowing the crop seeds, the soil of the field is loosened and overturned. This process is called plugging. Plugging is done to facilitate ventilation in soil and make it suitable for the growth of microorganisms like earthworms. They make the soil fertile by decomposing the remains of plants and animals. That's why earthworm is called as farmer's friend, because it loosens the soil. Okay, now we have a number of techniques and tools to plug the fields. In earlier, wooden soil planks used for the breaking soil crumbs plug, and now as you can see in this picture, plugging, leveling, and tilling means seed drill. That's all have been done by the manually. So the instrument used for plugging is called plug. So now earlier the farmer used plugging by oxen. Okay, now leveling, the wooden soil leveler used for leveling the soil. So and now most of the process at our earlier time, domestic animal like oxen, camel are used. Now big farmers use the tractors and cultivators, which save time and labor for plugging manually. And the process of making soil porous, we are going to talk about the leveling. The process of making soil surface even and smooth is called leveling. Okay, and after that, manuring means we give some manure to the at the soil, that's seed grow rapidly. Okay, So they are the basic tools for plugging. Now next we are going to discuss about the sowing. So sowing, when soil is plugged, when soil is plugged and leveled, seed are sown in it. Before sowing seed, selection the healthy seed is done by putting seed in water. That is the very easy methods you all have done in your home also, and you can do it. And please, you will do, okay, and do it. Take some seed and putting seed in water. So what happens? The defective floating seeds are rejected. The seed which remains submerged in water are selected for sowing. Okay, and now sowing can be done manually or by using a seed drill, as you can see in these pictures. Manual method. Now that the ancient time, and now on that time, the big farmers, the tractors are used for sowing the seeds, like seed drill. That is the modern method. The method of sowing seed manually by hand in the field is called broadcasting. Okay, like that manual method. It is also called the broadcasting. Now we are going to talk about the manure and fertilizers. Okay, manuring means crop plants obtain their minerals, nutrients from the soil. Continuous growing the crops in the field cause deficiency of minerals. So nutrients in the soil, the manure is added to the soil to make up the deficiency of minerals, nutrients. This process is called manuring. Means manure is made up of waste products of animals and plants such as cow dung, urine, plant waste. Okay, and the fertilizers, we also add the fertilizer in the soil. The addition of manure fertilizer is another way of enriching the soil with nutrients. Fertilizers are a mixture of chemical compound rich in nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium that are called the NPK. N for nitrogen, P for phosphorus and K for potassium. Okay, so these are made of factories rather than animal waste, compost in a natural fertilizers. Irrigation. We will talk about the irrigation. Irrigation means when water is necessary for the growth and development of plants. If plants do not get sufficient water, they shrivel up. Watering the crop plants is called irrigation. Now in our India, there are the major source of water is rainfall, but however amount of rain varies and does not always supply the right amount of water at the right time. Therefore farmers should have an alternative source of water near their fields like tube wells, rivers, lakes, ponds. Okay, now water wheel, that's called the rahat, and lift irrigation means dhekli, and the swinging buckets means moat, drip irrigation, for irrigation, burns, sprinkles, and tube wells. Now, drip irrigation and sprinkles, these are one of the most important techniques that are used for the watering the plants. I think sprinklers you have seen in our school also. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the crop protection. This is the next point of the agriculture practice. Crop protection means when we are protecting the crops to the pest. Pests are those organisms which damage crops and make them unfit for human consumption. The common pests are insects, rats, rabbits, and birds. Microbes like bacteria, fungi, and viruses are also cause diseases to crop plants. Some chemical called pesticide are sprayed on crops to destroy pests. Birds can be scared away from the field by installing scarecrows. You know the scarecrows? A statue are made up of made by the humans and stand in the fields. Okay, now before the harvesting, the weeding is one of the most important part of our agriculture practice. Weeding means weeds. Firstly, weeds are the unwanted plants that growing alone with desired crops. They also use nutrients for the from the soil that are needed for the desired crops. So weeding means the removal of unwanted plants growing along with desired crops from the field is called weeding. The most common weeds are Canvolvus plus, it is called Hyrencuri, wild oats, grass, Chenopodium called Bhatua. So weeds are required to be removed because they compete with crops, plants, and their basic needs like water, sunlight, nutrients, and space. Different type of weeds grow naturally with different crops during the different season in the years. So the process of removing weeds from the field is done by two ways: by the manually, so by pulling out the weeds with the help of trowel, it means khurpa, as you can see in this picture, and by using weedicide. So weedicide are the chemically compounds that certain chemicals called weedicides are sprayed in the field with the help of a sprayer. These chemical checks the growth of the many weeds but do not affect the main crops. Some common weedicide are 2,4-D, Dalapon, Metachlor, and Cinazine. Weedicide are poisonous chemical, therefore the grains as well as the other crop product must be washed thoroughly before use. Care and cover their mouths and nose. And the last one is harvesting. Once the crop matures, it is harvested. The process of cutting and gathering a crop is known as harvesting. It is done either manually by means of sickles or by some other mechanical means by using a harvesters. Sickles means hasiai and thresher. Guys, the most of the festival that are celebrated in India, they are based on the harvesting, and like Pongal, Baisakhi, Holi, and are the special festival associated with harvesting and are celebrated with great joy in different state of India. The harvested crops may contain all kinds of incredible matter. The whole process of separation of grains from the harvested crop is known as threshing. Threshing is mostly done by the thresher. It is a mechanical instrument. Okay, so that are the processes that are performed in our India. So agriculture practice has been done. Now we have the improvement of crops. The next topic one is, but we were discussed in our previous session. India, there are two main season of cultivation crop, Rabi and Kharif. Okay, so now we are going to talk in our next video nitrogen cycle and animal husbandry, and what are the ways to improve our crops. Thank you so much.